I'm so excited to show you the new machine I just got. It is the first machine that prints high quality photos and also prints and cuts sticker sheets all in one and automatically. Not only that, the prints are laminated so they are resistant to water, scratches and UV. It is called the Liene PixCut S1 and with it you can print your favorite photos and create lovely stickers sheets to journal or customize just about anything. Let's unbox it, set it up quickly and check out all it can do and all you can do with it. But first, I quickly wanted to thank Liene for sponsoring this video, making it possible for me to share with you their incredible machine and support my content. So, in the box, you get a manual in multiple languages, the charging cord, a box with 18 sticker papers, 18 photo papers, and an ink cartridge, and of course the printer itself. To set it up to use, just place the ink cartridge in, get the paper tray out, place the type of paper you want, sticker or photo, and place it in the printing slot just under where the tray was originally. Then connect the printer to the Liene app and follow the steps it tells you to. Now, we are ready to print and have fun. Let's talk about the photo printing. If you are anything like me, you often think that it would be nice to have a few of your favorite photos printed, that it'd be nice to frame them or place them in places you could see them often and enjoy them more than in your Photos app. Then you think, I'll select a few and order them. Or if you are too impatient, you think, I'll go print some out. But then you think about all the steps and time it will take and you just think, I'll do it another time, and it's been 84 years. So the fact that the machine you bought, because it creates custom sticker sheets in minutes, can also print your photos is amazing. Plus, you can also use this feature for cute projects like this mini desk calendar I made. To make it, I used Canva to create the calendars and I added illustrations of mine that I thought matched the month I placed them on. But you could also use photos of yours or whatever you want. Then I printed them 2 by 2. As you can see, it prints color by color with first the yellow, then the magenta, followed by cyan, and then a lamination coat to protect the print. This is what makes the printing such high quality with vibrant colors and resistant to water, UV, smudges, and scratches. Once printed, I snapped the sides of the paper, which is my favorite step. It is so satisfying. Then I just cut in the middle and voila, a lovely personalized mini desk calendar. Okay, now let's talk about what you really want to hear and see, the sticker printing and cutting. And yes, it is as great as it sounds. The printing process is actually the same as for the photos. Then the print goes to the other side of the printer and gets kiss cut directly and super precisely. No calibration needed. I was actually surprised to see how accurately it cuts. The best way to show you would be with those palm trees I made to stick as a pattern on my future son's nursery wall. I didn't want any white borders around them, so in the app I asked the smallest border possible and couldn't have been happier with the result. One small tip though, the stickers stick better on really flat and smooth surfaces. So after some time, some of the stickers I placed on the wall started to peel off, but on flat and smooth surfaces, they are perfect. Here is my top 5 favorite ways to use the sticker maker. 5. Labels. You can make labels for a lot of things, and since it is waterproof, you can even make them for soap dispensers, for example. 4. Decorative stickers. You can make stickers to decorate just about anything. Your notebook, your laptop, your iPad case, even your fridge. 3. Gifts. You can make sticker sheets to give away as a sweet custom gift. For example, I made this one for my niece that I love very much. Asking ChatGPT to create a sticker sheet representing her and her cat. Brought the image in the Liene app, asked it to remove the background automatically, and voila. 2. Phone back film. Okay, you are not ready for this one. In the Liene app, you can actually ask to make a sticker that you could stick to the back of your phone. Just choose your phone's model, choose the image you want, send it to be printed and cut, and voila. It is so easy, quick, and cute. I want to make one for everyone around me. 1. Journal stickers. Of course, my favorite way to use this printer is to make custom sticker sheets to use in my journal. For example, this summer I'm having a baby boy and couldn't be more excited about it. So I drew a sticker sheet of all the things that could represent my summer this year with a baby to use in my bullet journal. It is so satisfying to create something so personal from start to finish and have an actual physical sticker sheet you can use at the end. I already started using it on my July page, but I was too focused on filming it. I didn't place them centered and it bothered me so much, but since it is removable and movable, I could simply recenter it. And if you don't like to draw, that is no problem. You can use photos and with the automatic background remover, create stickers of your life. Of course, there are still so many other ways you could use this printer, but I'm going to let you imagine and plan all the things you are going to make once you receive your brand new PixCut S1. Thanks again to Liene for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in another video.